Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to incorporate Trello's card aging in standard mode. This feature is especially useful if you want to visualize how long cards have been inactive. First up, let's open Trello and go to the board where you want to apply card aging. This is our starting point because Trello applies card aging on a per-board basis, allowing us to customize how we manage each project. Now let's navigate to the Show menu button on the upper right corner and select Power-Ups. Power-Ups are additional features that can enhance your Trello experience, and card aging is one of them. Next up, find the Card Aging power-up and click on Enable. The reason we do this is to activate the card aging feature for our selected board. Remember, in standard mode, cards will visibly age as time passes without any activity. Once card aging is enabled, click on its Settings button. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see two options, Regular and Pirate. Choose Regular for standard mode. This helps us because in standard mode, cards will fade out gradually, making it easier to spot cards that need your attention. Now that we've done that, let's close the settings and return to our board. You won't see any immediate changes, but as time passes without activity on a card, it will start to fade. This gradual fading is a visual reminder to revisit tasks or projects that might need your attention. Let me explain why this matters. Trello's card aging in standard mode is an excellent tool to manage projects effectively. It helps you stay on top of tasks and prevents any from slipping through the cracks simply because they've been inactive. And there you have it. That's how you incorporate Trello's card aging in standard mode. Remember, this feature can be a game changer for managing your tasks, so give it a try and keep your projects on track. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.